In this video, I'll show you how to turn a screenshot into code with V0. First, open your web browser and go to the V0 by Versal website. Sign into your account, or create one if you don't already have an account. Next, start a new project and locate the prompt box. Click the Upload or Image Attachment option and select the screenshot you want to convert into code from your computer. Now, add a prompt describing what you want V0 to generate. For example, ask it to recreate the interface as a responsive React component using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Shadcon/UI while matching the original layout as closely as possible. After that, click the Generate button and wait while V0 analyzes the screenshot and generates the corresponding code. Once the process is complete, review the live preview and compare it with the original image. Finally, if you'd like to improve the result, continue refining it with additional prompts. You can ask V0 to adjust the spacing, colors, typography, responsiveness, or individual components until the interface matches your expectations. When you're satisfied, click Copy or Export Code to use the generated component in your project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn a screenshot into code with V0. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.